High above the bustling streets of Manhattan, nestled among the clouds, sits one of the most exclusive residences in the world, the Penthouse at 520 Park Avenue. Welcome to a place where ultra-luxury meets sky-high sophistication, where billionaires buy privacy, prestige, and a panoramic view of the New York skyline. This isn't just a penthouse, it's a vertical palace in the heart of America's most competitive real estate market. Located on the iconic Upper East Side, 520 Park Avenue is a neoclassical skyscraper that redefines opulence. Designed by legendary architect Robert A.M. Stern, the tower is home to just 33 residences, each crafted like a private mansion in the sky. But at the very top of it all is a crown jewel, a triplex penthouse that has broken records and redefined vertical living. Spanning over 16,000 square feet across 3 levels, this penthouse isn't just one of the largest in Manhattan. It's also one of the most expensive ever sold, closing at a reported $135 million. With floor-to-ceiling windows, soaring ceilings, private terraces, and finishes that rival Europe's finest estates, the penthouse offers a rare mix of classic elegance and modern scale. In this video, we're diving deep into this architectural wonder, from its iconic design and breathtaking interiors to the high-profile buyers and the legendary lifestyle it offers. Whether you're a fan of luxury real estate, dream homes, or New York's high society, this is a residence that has to be seen to be believed. So buckle up as we take you inside the sky-high world of the 520 Park Avenue Penthouse, where privacy, power, and prestige reach new heights. The story of the Penthouse at 520 Park Avenue begins with a bold vision: to create an exclusive residential tower that would blend the timeless elegance of pre-war New York with the scale and amenities of modern luxury living. This idea came to life under the direction of real estate powerhouse Zeckendorf Development, the team behind other iconic residences like 15 Central Park West. To bring this vision to life, they brought on Robert A.M. Stern, one of the most respected architects in the world. Known for his classic yet commanding designs, Stern envisioned a limestone-clad tower that would feel like a natural part of the Upper East Side's historic skyline, but with all the grandeur of a new-age skyscraper. Standing 54 stories tall, 520 Park Avenue was designed to evoke the old-money sensibility of Park Avenue while offering 21st-century comforts. Only 33 residences exist in the building, and each spans an entire floor or more, offering privacy, scale, and exclusivity that few buildings can match. But the real masterpiece? The triplex penthouse. At the very top of the tower, spanning the 52nd to 54th floors, this home in the sky redefines vertical luxury. It's not just an apartment, it's an entire mansion built upwards, with architecture that seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. From the beginning, 520 Park Avenue wasn't just built to house people, it was designed to attract billionaires, celebrities, and global power players looking for a permanent piece of Manhattan sky. The 520 Park Avenue Penthouse spans over 16,000 square feet, making it one of the largest residences in New York City. Unlike traditional apartments, this triplex functions more like a full-scale mansion, divided across 3 massive floors, each with its own unique function and flow. The lower level features an expansive living room with floor-to-ceiling windows offering unobstructed views of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the Manhattan skyline. This level also includes a formal dining room, a library, and a chef's kitchen that's equipped with restaurant-grade appliances and custom cabinetry. On the middle level lies the primary suite, an entire wing devoted to comfort and elegance. It includes dual marble bathrooms, custom walk-in closets, a private study, and direct access to one of the penthouse's multiple outdoor terraces. There are also additional bedroom suites on this level, each with ensuite bathrooms and breathtaking views. The top level is designed for entertainment and leisure. It includes a private gym, a media room, and another lounge space, all of which lead out to an incredible rooftop terrace. From here, you can see the city stretch endlessly in every direction. It's a setting fit for CEOs, royals, and A-list celebrities. The vertical flow of the triplex is connected by a private elevator and a grand staircase, allowing residents to move seamlessly between luxury, relaxation, and social spaces. It's not just a layout, it's a lifestyle blueprint built for the ultra-elite. Step inside the penthouse and you're immediately greeted by the unmistakable sense of understated elegance, where every material, texture, and fixture has been carefully selected for sophistication. The interiors feature a blend of classic New York pre-war charm with modern detailing that brings warmth and prestige to every room. Walls are adorned with hand-carved moldings, custom paneling, and book-matched marble. The herringbone hardwood floors add a timeless element, while expansive windows allow natural light to flood the space. The living areas feel like gallery rooms, perfect for displaying fine art, designer furniture, or family heirlooms. In the kitchen, you'll find polished Calacatta gold countertops, Lacanche and Gaggenau appliances, and breakfast areas that look out over the city. The bathrooms are equally luxurious, featuring soaking tubs, rainfall showers, and full slabs of imported stone from Italy and Brazil. The attention to detail is obsessive. Even the ceilings are custom designed, many featuring coffered accents, crown molding, and indirect lighting. Smart home systems control everything from climate to lighting to shades, all with a touch or voice command. Interior designers hired by private owners have the freedom to reimagine the space, but the core structure is already near perfection. Whether you prefer modern minimalism or classic opulence, the 520 Park Avenue Penthouse provides a flawless canvas. Perhaps the most priceless feature of the penthouse is something money technically can't buy: the view. From every room, you're met with jaw-dropping panoramas of New York City's most iconic landmarks. To the north, a full view of Central Park unfolds like a living painting. In the winter, it's a snowy wonderland. In the summer, a green sea of trees. Few buildings offer this kind of uninterrupted view across the entire park, and fewer still allow you to enjoy it from 700 feet in the air. To the south, you see Midtown's famous skyline, including the Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, and One World Trade Center in the distance. The east reveals the East River, while the west opens up to the Hudson and the lights of New Jersey. At night, the city transforms into a sparkling ocean of lights, creating a cinematic experience from your living room. And with the penthouse's multiple private terraces, these views aren't just for looking, they're for living. Whether sipping champagne at sunset or hosting a private party under the stars, the sky becomes your private backdrop. These views are more than beautiful, they're powerful, constantly reminding you that you're on top of one of the greatest cities in the world. When the penthouse at 520 Park Avenue sold for approximately $135 million, it instantly became one of the most expensive residential sales in U.S. history. That price tag wasn't just about space, it was about status, rarity, and architectural importance. The buyer remains anonymous, as is often the case with ultra-luxury real estate, but the building itself has a client list that reads like a Forbes cover: hedge fund billionaires, CEOs, tech moguls, and global royalty. This penthouse is not just a home, it's a financial asset, an exclusive club membership, and a symbol of power. Why does it command such value? It's not just the penthouse. It's the combination: iconic location, architectural pedigree, limited availability, and world-class amenities. Real estate experts agree, if this home were ever to hit the market again, it could easily surpass its previous record. The sale also reinforced 520 Park Avenue's place on the global real estate stage, competing with towers like 157, Central Park Tower, and 432 Park. But what sets it apart is its old-world charm wrapped in new-world engineering. And that concludes our journey into the penthouse at 520 Park Avenue, a home that redefines what it means to live at the top. From its record-breaking price tag to its museum-quality design and commanding views, this residence isn't just part of New York's skyline, it's a monument to modern luxury. Whether you're an admirer of architecture, a real estate enthusiast, or simply someone who loves seeing how the world's elite live, this penthouse shows us what happens when vision, engineering, and artistry unite. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an inside look at the world's most spectacular homes. Thanks for watching, and remember, in New York City, there's luxury, and then there's life above it all.